Hi everyone, it's me again. This video kind of same content with the others about phone delete after treatment, but the difference it is in other engine. I want to show you the different engine can have different issues, and it's also kind of my what I do in a day video. And today it is ISL9, or you can say L9, BGV CM2350. Okay. As you all know, the first step, I'm finding the product ID here. So you already know the first step, so it's kind of boring, right? I will tell you a funny story. While I was out to lunch, my coworker answered my phone and told the caller that I would be back in 20 minutes. And the woman asked, "Is that 20 minutes Central Standard Time?"
Eventually,
Okay. He don't know what to say. Okay. Talking about funny, do you remember the story I told about my customer shaking his thigh near the connection? Actually, I met a lot of issues about the connection. I always tell my customer not to touch their computer or even chat with me on TeamViewer while I'm flashing, cause that may make the ECM die. And that's true. So remember that when you flash, do not touch any adapter, computer, and computer's area. When you found the connection is weak or unstable, you need to change adapter or find why it's unstable. Only flashing when everything is stable. That will save your life. So that's why I always tell you to make a backup before do anything. Okay, now download the file into Cartoon. It will take a while. Okay, almost there. Now we erase on the phone code. That's it. There no phone call left. Now we'll ask my customer to check his engine. So that is the end of the video today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.